Hello dear learners. Today we'll see the prepositions we use with parts of the day. بمعنى سنرى حروف الجر التي نستعملها مع كل وقت من أوقات اليوم. For dawn, we use the preposition at, and we say at dawn, بمعنى عند الفجر أو في الفجر. Repeat. If you want to say, for example, يبدأون العمل فجرا, you can say they start work at dawn. They start work at dawn. Repeat. For morning, we use the preposition in, and we say in the morning, بمعنى في الصباح. Repeat. If you want to say سأرحل صباحا على سبيل المثال, you can say I am leaving in the morning. I am leaving in the morning. Repeat. For noon, we use the preposition at, and we say at noon, بمعنى عند الظهيرة. Repeat. As an example, we can say آخذ غدائي عند الظهيرة. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. Repeat. For afternoon, we use the same preposition as morning, and we say in the afternoon. In the afternoon. بمعنى بعد الظهيرة. Repeat. If you want to use it in a sentence, you can say I am leaving in the afternoon. I am leaving in the afternoon. بمعنى سأرحل غدا. Repeat. For evening, we use the same preposition as morning and afternoon, and we say in the evening. In the evening. في المساء. Repeat. As an example, we say I am leaving in the evening. I am leaving in the evening. سأرحل مساء أو في المساء. Repeat. For night, we use the preposition at, and we say at night, بمعنى في الليل. Repeat. As an example, we can say these animals only come out at night. These animals only come out at night. هذه الحيوانات تخرج فقط بالليل. Repeat. For midnight, we use at, and we say at midnight, في منتصف الليل. Repeat. As an example, you can say she left at midnight. She left at midnight. غادرت في منتصف الليل. Repeat.